Hi guys, introduce ourselves. My name is Anissa Hakapuina.
My name is Siti Nurhasana.
And my name is Marsha.
My name is Siska Priscilia.
My name is Devianggi Melani.
Do you know of any endangered animals in Indonesia?
Heard of blue whales do commercial whaling in the past, ship collision, entanglement in fishing gear, climate change affecting their food supply and air pollution.
Yeah, it's a pity that blue whales are friendly animals and not aggressive to humans.
The blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, possesses a formidable appetite. Capable of consuming up to 3.5 tons of food daily, this marine giant often goes without eating for several days. Its immense size allows it to traverse the world's oceans, from tropical waters to the poles, in search of sustenance. A thick cloud of krill, trapped near the surface by fish, presents an ideal feeding opportunity for the blue whale. This small crustacean forms the bulk of its diet. Upon finding such a dense aggregation of krill, the blue whale positions itself to maximize its intake. With its massive mouth open wide, the whale engulfs a significant portion of the krill swarm. Swimming with its throat fully expanded requires tremendous effort, causing the whale to slow down almost to a stop. To feed, the blue whale uses its tongue to push water out of its mouth, trapping the krill behind its baleen plates. These comb-like structures filter the tiny creatures from the water, allowing the whale to consume its prey efficiently. Filtering such large volumes of water is time-consuming, providing an opportunity for more agile predators to feed. However, the blue whale's feeding strategy doesn't rely on speed or agility. Instead, it takes advantage of its size to engulf entire swarms of krill in one go. The blue whale's unique adaptations make it the most effective predator of the ocean's scattered resources.
Well, why do the humans hunt blue whales when they are not aggressive to humans?
The humans take the bones. The oil and meat are used to make oilets, and the bones are used to make various objects such as script and corset.
Well, meat and fat are also used as a source of protein and fat. Whaling is also done to fulfill the needs of coastal communities.
While making oil lamps, those have to be with blue whales, but it can also be with oil from other marine plants.
Blue whales should be protected because they have a very important role in a marine ecosystem.
Blue whales help maintain the balance of the marine ecosystem. Their feces contains iron and nutrition that helps the growth of phytoplankton.
There are so many whales that have been misused by people. How do you get people to stop hunting blue whales, or is there our community?
There is the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, has been actively protecting whales for the past 50 years, focusing on documenting and protecting important areas for whales such as feeding, breeding, and migration routes.
We can also done through World Wildlife Fund to help them protect other marine animals.
Between the coast of Southern California and the Channel Islands lies a 70 nautical mile stretch of the Pacific Ocean known as the Santa Barbara Channel.
The exciting things about this region, the Southern California Bight and the Santa Barbara Channel in particular, is it's one of the most reliable places to see concentrations of blue whales anywhere in the world. Blue whales occur throughout the world's oceans and occurred in some of their largest numbers in the Southern Ocean. But right now, with what whaling has done, this is probably the best place to see blue whales around the year. There are areas and can get hundreds of blue whales in an area feeding, and that's something you don't run into anywhere else in the world.
This same channel also serves as an important passageway for another ocean giant, container ships. Maritime shipping is the lifeblood of the global economy. At any given moment across the globe, thousands of container ships are steaming across oceans, delivering 90% of our everyday goods and products. In the Santa Barbara Channel alone, more than 2,700 ships power through these waters annually, making it a very busy shipping lane.
One of the emerging threats to many large whale species, not just blue whales, has been ship strikes. These ships move incredibly fast, and these whales that just are not used to this kind of a threat don't seem to know how to avoid that or even recognize it as a threat. So that puts them a vulnerability of actually just being run over by the ship, either hit by the bow or sometimes hit by the propeller.
We understand that no ship captain wants to hit a blue whale or a humpback whale or a fin whale as they come through the channel. We also understand that they have busy schedules to keep as they move the world's goods from Asia to the West Coast. Our mandate at the Channel Islands National Marine Sanctuary are to protect these blue humpback and fin whales as they come here every summer to feed.
Shipping has also
Slowing ships down is a solution to multiple environmental challenges. Slower ships are safer ships for whales. Slower ships emit less air pollution, and slower ships are quieter ships, reducing the noise impacts in a very noisy ocean.
50 years ago, many scientists who studied whales thought the blue whale was doomed to extinction. And we're fortunate now that we've seen that turn around. Populations around the world are slowly recovering, and one of the biggest success stories we have here is in the Santa Barbara Channel.
I think all the partners in this program recognize that it's a very special project. We've brought together really diverse interests, government agencies, nonprofits, private industry, and created a voluntary, non-regulatory solution that addresses all these problems together: air pollution, greenhouse gases, whale protection in this very special marine environment. And we look forward to continuing and expanding this program.
Thank you guys for watching. See you next time and goodbye.